What does cool sculpting feel like when it's happening?
So first 10 minutes are probably the most uncomfortable, where it just is really cold.
Yeah.
Then it goes none. It's not bad.
Yeah. And again, I definitely think it's better with the Elite than the older one I thought was much more intense. This one, it doesn't feel as intense. It's not, I don't think it was that bad.
It's
Personally. Yeah. Yeah. What's cooltone fit? That's a different, it's really strong muscle contractions, breaking up the lactic acid. So that kind of feels a little bit different. It's kind of like you're a little bit of a break, but it's pretty easy, honestly. I've almost fallen asleep a couple of times. So
not me. I do love the results. So it's sore.
Does it feel like you worked out afterwards the next day?
No, I'm not sore.
I'm not either. So I think a couple times I've had a little bit, but more, I mean, nothing major, but if you work out a little bit, it feels like a little bit of muscle soreness, but it's not every time, and it's never major.
No.
You should really hydrate before cooltone. And I think the times I felt that is when I actually came into it a little bit dehydrated.
Yeah.
Was there anything that you were scared about going into it? Not having tried it before?
Which one?
Both, either.
Did either seem scary?
So I'll say the first one, I got a lot of swelling, a lot of bruising. So cool sculpting, the first version. Now with the newer version, what was a little scared, hesitant going into it after I've done treatments.
I hadn't even thought about that until you just said that, but that's true. I forgot about that. I had bruising with the old machine, which a lot of people still use. We were one of the first in Georgia to have the new one. And I think when we did that, you're right. I didn't have the bruising. I never thought about that. Yeah.
When was the first time you noticed your cool sculpting results?
Sooner with cool sculpting Elite for me. I noticed it within weeks. I started seeing it within 3 or 4 weeks. Not like anyone else would notice, but you know how you know your own body and you can look in the mirror and something's happening. Yeah. But I think it really takes the full 12 weeks to see.
For sure. Yeah. To see. Yeah. I'm starting to feel it. You start to see your clothes hitting a little differently.
Yes. Yeah.
But was it worth it?
100%.
Yes.